Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Windows for gaming and power user without any kind of software. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. First, we need to open our control panel and go to hardware and sound but if you don't see this option in here, then you need to change your icon to category and click on hardware and sound and go to power option and click on power option, and you can see in here balance recommended. You can also see the last one, hide additional plan, high performance, favorite performance but may use more energy. Click on this and close this one. For gamers, or if you want to play games in your PC, then go to setting again with Windows I, go to gaming and enable this and go to game mode and enable this game mode on. So you can see my game mode is already on. If you want to see like this one, you need to enable this, and I'm going to close this one. And the third, I'm going to disable unnecessary visual effect on my computer, improve my performance. Search this one in your search bar, adjust the appearance and the performance of Windows. Open this one, and you can see in here there are a lot of options available. In visual effect tab in here, select this one, adjust for best performance, and click on apply and click on OK after applying. If you want to enable something, you can enable. So I'm going to enable this, then it will be adjust for custom, but I'm going to select this one, adjust for best performance, and I'm going to click on apply and OK. In the fourth step, you need to open our startup apps. Simply click Ctrl Shift EXE, and here go to startup. In unnecessary app, you can see in here this is our startup app. When you open our computer, these apps automatically enable. If you want to disable in the when you if you want to disable this when you open a computer, then it will take less time on your boot. So I'm going to disable something. So I'm going to disable this. So that's how you can increase your speed. That's how you can improve your performance on PC. Press Windows plus I and go to setting, go to privacy. Here search background apps. Go in here. You can simply off this. You can see my background apps. You can disable all of these, or you can select manually like this one. So that's how you can improve your computer performance. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.